In today's video, I am going to teach you how to paste multiple choice answers in Google Forms. When you are building a form, typing every multiple choice option one by one can take a lot of time, especially if you already have your answers written somewhere else. The good news is that Google Forms can turn a pasted list into separate options automatically, as long as your list is formatted the right way. I will walk you through the exact process. First, go to wherever your answer choices are currently stored. This can be a Word document, an Excel file, Notepad, or a Google Sheet. Highlight the full list of answers you want to use. The most important detail here is that each answer must be on its own line. In other words, you want one choice per line, with a clear line break between items. If your answers are separated by commas or all written in one paragraph, take a moment to place each one on a separate line before you copy. This is what allows Google Forms to split them into individual multiple choice choices. Once your list is formatted correctly, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use your standard keyboard shortcut for copying. Next, switch over to your Google form and make sure you are editing a question that uses multiple choice options. In the Answers area, locate the first option field, which usually shows placeholder text like Option 1. Click directly on that text so your cursor is active in the option box. If you already have an option there that you do not need, you can still click into the first option field and replace it with your pasted list. Now paste your list. On Windows, use Ctrl+V. On a Mac, use Command+V. As soon as you paste, Google Forms will read the line breaks in your copied text and automatically create a separate multiple choice option for every line in your list. This saves a lot of time and helps prevent typing mistakes. If anything pastes into a single option, go back to your original list and confirm that every answer is on its own line, then copy and paste again, and that is all there is to it.